Hello friends, this is Viru Vikas Kumar Srivastav and today's topic is about lift generation. Means what? Why lift is being produced? So okay, let's start. Suppose we have an airplane and we have a wing. I am taking example of port wing. So when air will flow over the wing, okay, when air will flow over the wing, entirely over the wing, then every section of wing, I mean here, every section of wing will generate lift. But why? So it's very clear, because of this airfoil shape, airflow on the upper layer will accelerate. Means what? Speed will increase, and airflow below the bottom surface will decelerate. Means what? Retardate. Speed will decrease. What will happen? If this is happening, what will happen? We know P plus half rho v square is equal to constant. This constant is total pressure. This P is static pressure, this is dynamic pressure. So what will happen? If this pressure, if this velocity will increase, pressure has to decrease to maintain this constant pressure. Okay? If this quantity will increase, this has to decrease to maintain this constant pressure. Oh, this is mathematical explanation why this is happening. But actually, what is happening in real? The main question is why this airflow will accelerate just because of this shape. There must be some reason, right? Why airflow is not accelerating if my shape is like this? Why airflow is not accelerating here? So the reason is, suppose this is an airfoil and this is like this, air is flowing, like this, air is flowing. So there will be some place in atmosphere where air will not be affected because of the movement of airplane. What I am saying, there will be some height where air will not be affected because of this movement. Okay. So from here to here you can consider a duct. Imagine this, what I am trying to explain. From here to here you can consider a duct. So it will be like this, correct? So now you can see this is like a converging duct. Okay, this much portion is like a converging duct. So this portion is like converging duct. That's why whenever air will come, it will accelerate in converging duct. Why? To make continuity, right? Because of mass conservation. So continuity equation will be following here. So velocity will increase here, pressure will decrease here. So because pressure will decrease here, then and downside of the wing, I mean at the lower surface, pressure will increase because velocity is being decreased. Okay. So this is the issue, because less pressure and because more pressure. So finally we have pressure difference. So this wing will, I mean this pressure will push the wing up. Or I can say here will feel comparatively suction and here will feel positive pressure. Suction means vacuum type at some angle, not always. So this is the reason actually why the lift is being generated. Okay. So subscribe my channel and share this video to your friends who are interested to learn aeronautics. And actually I am making all the series for GATE. So this full lectures and all the concepts regarding aerodynamics, propulsion, structure, stability, mathematics, reasoning aptitude, everything will be uploading here. I will be uploading here. So guys, subscribe my channel and like and share if you really like this to your friends. Thank you so much.